Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Mathx World. Students, today we will learn how to solve OMR sheet. So let's start. Firstly, we have to write our roll number at the top. For example, our roll number is 12345. We have to write our roll number like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and whatever your roll number is. Got it? Then when you write your roll number, after that you have to fill these bubbles according to your roll number, like this. Your first digit is 1, so we have to fill this bubble 1. Next, our next digit is 2, so we have to fill bubble according to that 2. Next digit is 3, so we have to fill 3. Next is 4, so we have to fill 4. Next is 5, so we have to fill 5. Next is 6, so we have to fill 6. So you have to fill these bubbles according to your roll number. And be careful while filling these bubbles and fill them appropriately. Nextly, when you enter your roll number, then you have to write your answer sheet number here. What is your answer sheet number? It is the number of answer book on which you have to write your answers. So mention your answer sheet number here. Then there is sign of candidate. Then you have to do your sign here. Next is sign a invigilator. You don't have to sign here because here the invigilator does her sign. Next, when you fill this proportion, next is your objective. For example, the correct option for first one is option B. So what we have to do, we have to fill bubble next to option B, which is this. Note that we have to fill this bubble accurately. So, and we have to use only ballpoint, not pointer or fountain pen, because ink spreads. So we have to fill only with ballpoint. Secondly, if for example, if the correct option for next MCQ is D, so we have to fill bubble D, and we have to fill according to uh, the correct answer. So you have to fill appropriately and consider that your bubble is filled accurately. Neither it is out of circle nor uh, very light. So you have to fill very carefully. So for example, the correct option for these MCQs are these A, B, C, D, or anyone. So we have to fill this accordingly. Hopefully you understand. On next page, for example, we have these MCQs. We have to fill these MCQs also by that method. So at last, we have to enter our roll number here again. For example, our roll number is 12345. So we have to write our roll number here appropriately. Got it? Hopefully you understand how to fill OMR sheet. Best of luck and stay blessed. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.